Hi, my name is Andrew Adoming, and I'm a realtor here at ROVI Homes. I went to school initially to do film, and I actually moved to California when I was 22 for a stint. It was 2009, so it was right when everything was really bad with the housing market, and just getting a job was tough. I couldn't even get a job at Burger King. I did have an interview with Ford models when I was out there, but I was told I was too cute. And my goal was to come back and formulate another plan, and then I met a girl. I actually was a personal trainer before I became a real estate agent. I was doing that for nearly 10 years, and then the pandemic happened, and I was forced to make some kind of pivot. A lot more people realized their time and how important it is, and I definitely realized that too. I honestly can't see myself doing anything different right now. It's amazing. I wish I did it sooner. When I was in my real estate schooling, my favorite teacher said, chase the training, chase education, that's what you need. And when I was shopping around for a brokerage, that was my main priority. And then I stumbled upon ROVI, and right from the get-go, I was like, this is it. I think the most fun part is the culture that we have here. Even though it's not a hard requirement here, I still like coming here. I love the people. Every time I'm here, I'm laughing, like we're all having a good time. But I feel like everyone's a real person here, whether you're a seasoned agent or if you're brand new. Everyone's willing to help, everyone's friendly. I've never had an experience where I'm like, ooh, I can't talk to that person. Everyone's approachable. You know, come here any day I want, have a sit down with whomever and just have a great conversation, whether it's real estate or whether we're talking about getting out for golf because, hey, there's a real estate tournament coming up, just anything. I love it.